Do you want to know how you can log into your Talkie AI account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Talkie AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Talkie AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Talkie AI where you can see various types of artworks over here. You can click on these artworks and you can see that there are characters here that can speak as well. So you can sign in to your Talkie account by clicking sign in, which you can see on the bottom left hand corner. There are two options of signing in using your Google account or your Apple ID. So you can choose whichever is easy for you or whichever account you have. So go ahead and click continue with Google if you have a Google account. After you click on it, you can see that if you have an account, you will be logged into your Talkie account. So go ahead and click on this, go to continue, so click continue and then you will be signed in to your Talkie.ai app. So go ahead and choose your date of birth, click confirm and sign up, and there you go. This is how you log into your Talkie AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.